All right, so multiple offers on, you're a seller, you get multiple offers. What are some of the things that you can do to help the seller get what they want at the end of the day?
Yeah, so first, most people think that the price is the most important and possibly the only thing that matters to a seller.
Right.
That's simply just not true. So depending on the seller, it could be price, it could be occupancy, and there's several other terms that are in a contract that we can negotiate to make sure the seller feels best about taking an offer.
Yeah, and some of those things also can be, and you said this already, it doesn't have to always be price. We can get the buyer to pay for the owner's title policy. We can sometimes move the commissions onto the buy side. We can get appraisals waived.
Absolutely.
We can do escalation clauses. There's all sorts of things that at the end of the day, as a seller, when you get multiple offers, that puts you in the driver's seat, right? Now you can start to kind of nitpick the different terms of the transaction, because of course, let's just say my house is worth $600,000. I get a $700,000 offer and it's appraisal contingent, but we all know it's worth $600,000. Well, I mean, it feels really good signing that contract at $700,000, but if it never closes, it doesn't matter, right? So how do we get the best price that will close at the end of the day? And not only the best price that'll close, the best price that nets you the most money, right?
Yeah,
and that's kind of where we talked about those terms, and you mentioned occupancy and things like that. So if you're a seller and you have a property that you think is going to be worth a lot to the market, go ahead and reach out. We'll help you navigate through that process on how to maximize your investment on that property through multiple offers. Thank you.
Thank you.